Today let us make for lunch jhatpat green Thai curry and steamed rice. Now I require ingredients I require to make green Thai curries. First of all, today it is jhatpat, so I am going to take ready paste. This paste is Thai green curry paste you get ready made, Oriental Asian brand. This is very good. They are actually using all the ingredients. Now I require this paste. Then I need 8 to 10 flakes of garlic which I have chopped fine. Then coconut milk. Then mushroom 1 packet, and you can add some other vegetables also, but today I don't want to add other vegetables. I want to make only with mushroom and chilies. Then chilies of all types, spring onion, the leaves as well as the onion, and I will require salt, pepper, red chili and some oil. So let us begin with the process and make a very quick lunch today. I added 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and I am adding the garlic pieces. Just stir fry them for 1 to 2 seconds and then I will add the curry paste. The mushroom which I have washed, cleansed, wiped and cut it into 2 halves. They absorb water, so let the water be removed completely. That is why I put them before putting in the masala. Roast this for 1 to 2 minutes. Saute is the right word. Add the chilies as well as the onion pieces also. You can add capsicums, you can add corn, baby corn, broccoli, many other vegetables. But now lockdown, whatever is available at home, I am using that. Right now I had a packet of mushrooms, so I am using that. You can even add carrot. I have added 1 big tablespoon of curry paste, green curry paste. You can make your own curry paste also. Nowadays you get packets in the market, Thai green curry paste packets. In that there is galangal, there is lemongrass, then there is kaffir leaves. You have to grind all that to paste. Green chilies, red chilies, grind it to paste and then use that. Or you get this ready-made masala, you can use this also. These are ready to use masalas. Nowadays they are very easily available in the market and it becomes very fast to make your vegetable in case somebody comes in, drops in all of a sudden. Now let us add water to this. Bring it to a boil, then I will add the coconut milk. Let us add some coriander powder. In Thai as well as Malaysian foods, lot of coriander powder is used. You can roast the coriander seeds and then powder it in the mixer. Nowadays everything is so easy with the mixer. Add salt as per taste, as the masala also has salt, so be careful. And I'll add half a teaspoon of red chili powder. If you want tikha, you can add the tikha chili powder, otherwise you can add the Kashmiri one. To be a very spicy Thai curry. Now let us add coconut milk, 1 cup, and let it come to a boil. I am adding lemongrass, the stem, and 2 kaffir leaves to give it more aroma. The vegetable is almost ready. The curry has also thickened up. You can use chicken also instead of mushrooms and vegetables. It is up to you. This will enhance the aroma of the curry. I have these plants growing. They can grow in the pots. It is very easy to grow them. You can also do it in your balcony or in your windowsill. You can grow these plants because nowadays every house is making Thai and Malaysian and Indonesian curries, and this gives it a nice taste. This is the kaffir leaf. It gives a lovely lemony aroma to the vegetable. This is the lemongrass. You use it to make tea in the morning and evening. It gives a lovely aroma. This you use the stem only. Clean out the stem, remove the inner part and use that. It gives a lovely aroma. Much thickness of gravy is enough, I think. This can be used with rice. It tastes best with rice. Let us put off the gas. Garnished it with the spring onion leaves. Now let us plate it and serve it for lunch. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, share and comment my video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Amita Pagai from Amita's Amazing Kitchen, bringing you green Thai curry rice for lunch. Thanks a lot. Have a good day and do subscribe to my channel. Let me know how it is in the comments, and keep safe, keep healthy and enjoy your lunch. God bless you all. Thank you.